Alright guys, I turned the camera around. Okay, bro, I'm still trying to record. Just since I stopped the video for like 2 seconds. Okay. I'm not great with aiming, so. Oh, my dad's gonna start a fire so we can burn this book. Nobody in my class actually liked these books, so you get to burn them. And shoot it. Cock it. Safety's off. Nope. You guys fell over. I gotta get one shot in before it blows over. I missed. It's also really windy out here, so it makes it extremely hard. Hit it. Hey, puppy. No. Okay, sorry, guys. You guys keep on falling, and it's probably making you guys really dizzy. Sorry about that. It's already cocked. Safety off. 3, 2, 1. Did it? I'm getting a lot of shots in. I've already. Nope. Okay, so after every shot, it falls over. Well, that's just great. Guys, I am trying very hard for this not to fall over. Because I know some of my friends are subscribed to my channel from school. Safety off. Floated. Yeah, floated. Okay. Oh, I saw the beauty. Now guys, this is a BB gun. So YouTube, don't demonetize me. This is a BB gun. Don't give me like, I don't know if it's demonetizing if you shoot a gun. I know Mr. Beast didn't, so, and they shot 2 guns in their video, so. Except this is a BB gun, so you will survive a BB gun sometimes. But don't test that at home. And guys, I don't have eyewear protection right now. My dad's okay with it right now. But guys, if you guys are ever shooting a gun, like an actual like gun, you need to have protection earbuds to protect your ears. And then you also need eye protection. That protects your eyes, because if the bullet comes back and hits you in the eye, it'll save your life from it going through your eye. And you would pretty much die from that. You would get that. You would die pretty much from getting shot from a bullet, anyways. So. I'm hitting a lot of these shots. I've missed like 5. I've missed like 3. Who knew that this would be so fun? If you guys have a real gun and you guys are like, bro, you only have a BB gun, it's because my parents only trust me with a BB gun. Because I am not ready to have a real gun yet. My dad has a shotgun he has a shotgun from whenever he was my age. My dad got a real shotgun whenever he was my age. I wish this was a pump. I wish this was like pump action. Oh, whoa! I just saw a bullet, or that was a bug or a bullet that just went flying past. I don't know if you guys saw that, but I think that might have been a bullet that just flew by. And guys, after this, we're gonna see the aftermath of it. I wonder if I can hit that wood, but that's probably not a good idea. Yeah, it's also really hard too. I was gonna take it out to my field, but it's tick season. Let's just hope a cop. Oh my god! I think I have hit the wood. You guys have to see this. Get this. There's the barrel. Ah. If you guys are ever holding a gun, hold it straight up in the air and leave safety off, and never keep it loaded. And if you're not gonna shoot, hold it like you're holding it, but then don't hold your hand off of the trigger. Because that would not be good. You never hold the trigger down. And a lot of you guys watching this probably know how to shoot a gun. You guys are like, we're talking about the basics of a gun. But guys, after this, we are gonna be burning it, and we're probably gonna record that too. We might make s'mores. I'm missing a lot of shots now. After this shot, I'm gonna check how many BBs I have left. Hit it. Safety off. Okay. Alright, I have a good amount left. I bet you my neighbor's probably just looking out the windows and seeing me with a BB gun. And me shooting a book. And if you guys love books, this is a workbook. Not a book that you read. But this is probably gonna give me a couple subs, to be honest. But guys, I'm gonna go check the aftermath. Let's go check the aftermath, guys. Alright, safety on. Alright. Alright. Bruh. Look at these. Bro, look at this. It was literally just perfect. And now it's absolute trash. Let's see if we can find... Oh yeah, guys, I did hit it. I did hit the wood. Hit the wood 3 times. Right there, and right there. But guys, we gotta see. Oh, I found a BB. There is a BB. Nope, it's in there, guys. Nope, okay. We can probably reuse this, to be honest. But you know what? Let me use my gun here. I'm gonna throw it. It's in there somewhere. Now, if there's a page... Oh, another BB. Maybe? Lots of the pages got stuck together from the BBs. Let's see how far back it went. Oh my gosh. I'm literally on page 59. And it's still going. I think it stopped. Nope. It's still going. It's still going. When does it end? Did it go through the book? It didn't go through it. Oh! It didn't go through all of them. It stops. Never mind. Still going. And it stops right here. It stops on page 109. 109 it stops. Oh wow. Time to hit it some more. I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm gonna hit it a lot more, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.